Every single morning, millions of people wake up feeling bloated, heavy, uncomfortable, gas, acidity, constipation, even before breakfast. They eat healthy, they take medicines, they try home remedies, but nothing works. And here's the shocking truth most people never hear. Stomach problems may not be caused by what you eat, but by what you do in the first hour after waking up. Today, I'll reveal 4 simple morning habits that can quietly destroy your digestion. And what to do instead. Stay till the end, because the last habit is where most people fail without realizing it. Why mornings matter. Your gut doesn't work randomly. It follows a biological clock called the circadian rhythm. Just like your brain knows when to sleep, your stomach knows when to digest, when to clean itself, and when to rest. Late nights, dehydration, stress, wrong morning habits, all of these confuse this rhythm. And when your gut rhythm is disturbed, symptoms begin. Gas, acidity, bloating, constipation, loss of appetite. So the goal of a good morning routine is simple. Backhand index pointing right, work with your gut, not against it. Mistake number 1, skipping water. Let's start with the first 5 minutes after waking up. While you sleep, your body loses water through breathing. Your colon absorbs water from stool. Your stomach remains full of acid. That's why stools become hard. And acidity feels worse in the morning. The fix? Droplet 1 to 2 glasses of plain water, room temperature or lukewarm. This does 3 powerful things. Activates the gastrocolic reflex. Your gut starts moving. Softens stool and improves bowel movement. Dilutes excess stomach acid. Prohibited the biggest mistake? Drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach. It irritates the stomach lining. Worsens acidity. Triggers reflux. Another common mistake, adding too much lemon to water. If you already have acidity or gastritis, this can make things worse. Mistake number 2, no morning movement. Your gut is a muscle-driven system, and muscles need movement. Even 20 to 30 minutes of light activity can dramatically improve digestion. This could be brisk walking, stretching, yoga, Surya Namaskar. Movement stimulates intestinal contractions, peristalsis, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the digestion mode, reduces gut-brain stress signals, improves bloating and IBS symptoms. Studies show even 20 minutes daily can. Heavy checkmark improve stool frequency. Heavy checkmark strengthen digestion. Heavy checkmark improve gut bacteria diversity over time. Warning: avoid intense workouts immediately after waking up, especially without hydration. Start gentle. Build slowly. Mistake number 3, bad toilet habits. This one is uncomfortable to talk about, but crucial. When your body gives the signal to pass stool. Prohibited, don't ignore it. Sit calmly for 5 to 10 minutes. No forcing, no straining. If you use a Western toilet, place a small stool under your feet. This mimics a squatting position, the most natural posture for bowel movement. And please, crossmark, don't take your phone into the toilet. Sitting for long periods scrolling Instagram or YouTube puts pressure on the rectum and slowly trains your body into chronic constipation. Mistake number 4, skipping or delaying breakfast. This is where most people unknowingly damage their gut. Your digestive enzymes are strongest in the morning. Skipping breakfast or eating very late slows metabolism, worsens acidity and reflux, increases bloating, worsens constipation. Eat breakfast within 1 to 1.5 hours of waking up. Not tea and biscuits, not sugar-loaded cereals, not deep-fried foods. A gut-friendly breakfast follows one simple formula: protein plus fiber plus healthy fats. Examples: omelette with vegetables, idli or dosa with vegetable-rich sambar, oats with nuts, seeds, chia, flax, poha with peanuts, fruit alongside meals. Protein triggers digestion hormones. Fiber feeds good gut bacteria. Healthy fats support gut lining health. Skipping breakfast confuses your gut's rhythm, and later in the day you'll notice gas, bloating, reflux, discomfort. Your gut doesn't need expensive supplements, fancy detox drinks, extreme diets. It just needs the right signals at the right time. Water, movement, proper toilet habits, and a real breakfast. Try this routine for 14 days. Your digestion will feel lighter, calmer, more regular. If this video helped you, subscribe for more science-based gut health content. Your stomach will thank you.